make a sign. A sign to show thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Ozzy.
Hello, Aisling.
I have some deliveries for you. Today, Joe, you will be delivering a key and a mini footstool to the park for a treasure hunt.
Great.
And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello. Kiwa Day.
Kira Jane and Park Ranger Lewis need the deliveries for a treasure hunt.
Oh, it's so exciting! Time for a little sleep.
Hello, Ozzy. Where's Joe? I'll call him. Joe, where are you? People are waiting for their deliveries.
I'm very busy here. I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Well, we made it to the park. Now we have to look for the rangers who are going to help us. No, can't see them anywhere. Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello.
I'm Lewis, and this is Kira Jane.
Yeah.
Hello, Kira Jane.
Hello.
Will you help us?
Yeah.
Great, let's go.
Oh, my hat! Oh.
Oh. Thank you. But I forgot what was on the list. Ah, yes. A key and a mini footstool.
First, we have something for you.
Oh. Thank you. Look, it's part of a treasure map. It's showing us where to go. It says we need to go beside the yellow stone.
Let's love sign. Beside. Beside. You sign. Beside. Good. Beside.
We are on a treasure hunt. Now, all we have to do is find the yellow stone. The yellow stone?
No.
Is
No!
this the yellow stone?
No.
What color is it?
Oh, blue!
Blue? Is this the yellow stone?
No!
What color is it? Green? Where is the yellow stone? The yellow stone.
Yeah.
The clue said we had to look beside the yellow stone. Look! This box needs a key. Wait here. A key! Oh, that key's too big. It needs to be smaller. I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy.
Day. Night.
It says we need to go between those two trees.
Let's love sign. Between. Between. You sign. Between. Good. Between.
Well, here we are, between two trees. Now, where is the clue? Oh, there it is. Don't worry, I'll get it.
Hey.
Too high.
Wait here.
It says the clue is behind the rock.
Let's love sign. Behind. Behind. You sign. Behind. Good. Behind.
It's an X. That's the clue. We need to find an X. It's an X. Here is our treasure. A picnic.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, Aisling.
Did you find the picnic I made for you?
You made this?
Yes. You've been working very hard, and you deserve a nice picnic.
Thank you. We've had a great day. Thank you for all your help. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.